always hear this noise, the airplanes going in and out. Yeah, this is true. So, if you guys could hear me, Heathrow Airport. So yeah, we're back again. I was just we was just doing last stream. Sorry, what is it I'm doing? So yeah, we was just like before half an before in the morning session usual. We're back again just for today because we have an interest rate decision coming up. I wanted to see what did happen 6 p.m. and we have a FOMC meeting today live, so it will be official on their. They usually do broadcast on their official website or official page as well. So I don't know if what will happen. So that's why we are live back again to see if what market will perform, how it could perform. So far, I have taken no trade this week. I've taken two trades on demo, one crook scalps, one positive, one loss on demo. On my real account, I have not taken any kind of trade till now. Looking for a trade if I could find. I should find, by the way. Anticipating that. So this is we'll go a little bit of more like big picture time from now. So 4 hour time frame. This is 4 hour time frame failed gap below where we're trading at right now. We don't need. Oh my mouse! What is happening to my mouse, man? Why is it is testing my patience? It should be fine now. So maybe my PC. No sure. So this is the low of the 4 hour time frame failed gap. We don't need to go all the way on this chart for all of those levels. We have this is the 30-minute time frame fairly gap. 1 hour time frame before we could see we have this 1 hour time frame fairly gap as well, and 15-minute time frame fairly gap as well in here. And this is a low of the 4 hour time frame fairly gap as well. And the way it has left all of these low, these two low, I'm not really confident on. So we will be on 5 minute. I will be on 5 minute. We don't need this one. I don't know. We don't need this. It will be a complicated things. So yeah. So I don't know because of the news. Anything can happen. I'm anticipating it could be bullish from here. If interest rate go down, decision go down. In that case scenario, it should have to go toward upper side. And we cannot deny. We can anticipate this low. The previous 4 hour time frame low could be the low. This 4 hour time frame low. Maybe these lows could be 8. Market in because of the news went up and then continued to be bullish. I don't know. I will be very careful on just because I feel like this is already going down for a second as well. If you watch out this in here, this is already going downward side for a second, higher low, and maybe it could go just up and then be bearish again, possible as well. Or if it all the way reverse aggressively at this point, uh, I've up for level at this range, then I will be looking for high levels from here. All of those upward side projection from here. We don't know. Just watching and observing. So this is the for 1 hour time frame fairly gap as well. A 4 hour time frame market just open and then gone down and then going up now. Yeah. So let's see how this session could play out. This is a big 30-minute time frame fairly gap as well. I wanted to be on 5 or 15-minute time frame to watch out the news. This is it's we still have a 24 minutes left. I don't know if it just could play it out. No. 29, so we don't need this one for now. It will be live at 23, so we can do this later on. So on this chart, will be on 5-minute time frame. Let's see. I don't know. I'm just right now anticipating if it is possible because it's highly likely they will lower the interest rate. If they would lower the interest rate, everybody knew that they would lower the interest rate. And I have seen so many times, and everybody would be expecting, because if they lower the interest rate, everybody would be expecting from the market to go toward upper side. It will be good for economy and everything. Yeah, and and everybody knew this, and everybody will be looking to buy, and market will get went down. This is what you can say already priced in. Market is already priced in, and everybody is expecting something bullish for a second, and then it went down. This is what, and we have a reason as well to go down. These previous low, I'm not really confident on this low, and I feel like if you watch out just on this session, this area, there's nothing really you can say that market could get the bounce from. Or for me, there is nothing in here. Let's see if we possible we could find a range in here. This is a range, by the way. From a value or a high, this is point of control, and value or low of the range. You can say this is a range, by the way. Got rejection from the value or high, coming back down, holding this value a point of control. Could get the bounce from here, no doubt. But if we go down, we could go down all the way to this value area low as well, 110k as well from here. This is just a level. This is not a prediction that it is going down, but I'm just doing anticipation. If let's see on this chart how it represent to us, because every chart has different volume, so that's why it has a different scenario. Same thing, value have got rejection, point of control, we're holding this level. This is strongest level of support. We could get the bounce as well from here, or maybe because of news we got the bounce. Market is bullish, and after the news, after press conference, market continue to be bullish from here. Cannot deny this. Could be disrupting this high, this fairly gap for 4 hour time frame fairly gap, and maybe just have to go there. Maybe we could have a volatility to go all the way to this high as well, and 118, 120k as well. This is a quite big prediction, by the way. It may not play it out, but it is possible. um, let's see if we have something in here. Something I wanted to see on in here. So value high, point of control very real low. Hmm. We have 139. My family did not respect me at all. One thing I wanted to say, they always disrespect me. But it's not being disrespectful, but it's like, yeah, you can say that. They never have a believe on me. Never. And for me personally, I never have a doubt ever in my life doubt on myself for anything. That's the kind of person I am. I've never doubted myself for everything. Any each anything like if I can't do that or that this kind of mindset. No, never have that. So this is the this line is already the half of the 30-minute half hourly gap as well. One of time is a very big half hourly gap. If it, for example, because of the news went toward upper side to this at this portion, I want to say aggressive bullish price section, and I wanted to see if it has to disturb all of this area. I want to see aggressive continuation bullish price action from a disrupting all of those eyes that area. If it at this range, slow, choppy, could roll down. But if it has to bullish, it has to be aggressively bullish from here. Yeah. And if it just because of the it just went to, at this range, slow down, cool down, and press conference is coming in, I may be very careful that it could go down as well aggressively. We'll see there. Look at this. The weight is it is gone toward upper side. It's before the news as well. I cannot take any kind of trade. I cannot take any kind of trade. But the weight has gone toward upper side. It is highly likely it could do V-shaped recovery all the way toward upper side to this area. Look at this. Look at this, man. And which is difficult. I try to stay away from trading V-shaped recovery. To play it out sometime, do not play it out sometime. Let's see what today what will happen today. Open your eyes, man. So if it has to do V-shaped recovery, this is a 5-minute I'm filling up just to keep it open. So for V-shaped recovery, I prefer to be on a big picture time frame and look for the close. Which is more of like, look at this, it's going to upper side. Can go to 1 minute time frame as well, but it is if you will feel like market is it is unlikely for the market to go all the way toward upper side. It's too far. On short term, you feel like this is too far from here to go all the way up. But you just go to 5-minute time frame, you'll see like this is not too far. Just go to bigger picture time frame, it's not too far. could do V-shaped recovery, but if it has to do V-shaped recovery, you should have to respect each 1 minute time frame PD array or 5 minute time frame PD arrays on charts, which means it tends to be bullish. So just watching and observing. Not jumping into any kind of trade right now because not really feeling confident. 1 of 12, 400, 1 of 13, 200. Hello, hello. Let's see if it has to do with shape curve all the way to the upper side. And I'm anticipating in that case scenario, you should have to keep this 5 minute time really go open and give me a lower high. And in that case scenario, I would anticipate lower high below. I would be anticipating to put my stop loss below the previous lower high and then look for upward side projection. And you cannot deny this, it is possible. This has been very choppy downward side projection, and market could be aggressively going all the way to the upper side. And look at these candles, you'll see, look at these candles. This candle is telling me that it is there is something coming up, or there is volatility on a charts coming up. But look at considering these candles here. 1 to 5 minute time frame. So 4 minutes left. We cannot deny the fact that this has been downward side per second going on still. This is one hour time frame favorable gap. This is 30-minute time frame favorable gap as well. This is the low of the 4 hour time frame favorable gap as well, and the low of this daily favorable gap as well. This one, this line, and it don't needs to do V-shaped recovery all the way to the upper side. Could be going down as well from here. Continue to be bearish as well from here. In that case scenario, if it has to continue to be bearish from here, I wanted to see inversion of this 5-minute time frame favorable gap. Yeah, and then we'll be looking for continuation toward levels. We may have this 15-minute time frame gap as well, big 15-minute time frame gap. So just watching and observing, not pushing the buttons. We have a bullish case scenario that could play out, bearish case scenario as well. So just watching and observing. Just anticipating if it has to do V-shaped recovery all the way toward the upper side, the weight has gone toward the upper side, creating this 5-minute time frame gap. I'm anticipating market should have to keep this value gap open. If it has to do V-shaped recovery, this is very important to know that. And I wanted to see lower high this range to anticipate for a trade. Do you think this low could be low high? No, just not now. I have to wait for the news. I have 2 minutes left. I do anticipate it could do all the way a quick V-shaped recovery all the way to the upper side. The way it get the bounce from here. And I've seen sometimes it do play it out. Market do create low high and then pull bullish. Or as we are already going down, respect this value gap going to continue to be bullish. We have 27 seconds left. If I can be able to take a trade, get a trade before the press conference, I may get for a trade. Go for a trade. Can I anticipate that this is you could be a previous low high, or should I have to not? News is out, man. Oh, gone down, going down. Oh, look at this. Can you trade that? No. Look at this wick, shitty wick. Oh, volatility, man. Norway trading this. I don't want to watch other charts, guys. I got stopped at twice. It was a bad risk management trade, and I was trading news. It happens sometimes. Look at this. It is the way it is going down this page. Uh, so difficult to enter trade in here. Can't do that. I don't know. This is also not closing. I'm keep on losing on the demo. I don't know. Give it a try. Okay, guys. I want to remove everything for now from charts. This has been not good day. It happens sometimes. So yeah. So that's how it is. I don't want to do this.